You parked your car somewhere you feel really uneasy about, but you really need to make it to that meeting with a client. Where's your car? Is it on 6th Street? Could it be 7th? Or maybe you didn't see that sign. Yeah, that sign. There's a lot of unexpected things that can happen to you in your vehicle.
So don't you wish there was a way to record 24/7 and be alerted when an incident occurs? Waylens introduces the Secure360, a camera that can monitor and record a full 360-degree field of view so you know what's happening in and around your vehicle no matter where you are. When the camera's sensors detect motion, impact, or even a change in GPS coordinates, Secure360 will immediately notify you through the mobile app and simultaneously record video to the cloud. So even if this happens, you'll have peace of mind and evidence if you need it.
Protect your vehicle with the Waylens Secure360 camera.